Remember, remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. Guy Fawkes, he's intent to blow up the king and parliament. 70 barrels of powder alone, poor old England to overthrow. By God's providence he was catched, with a dark lantern and burning match. Holla boys, God save the king!
To feed old Pope.
A farthing cheese to choke him.
A pint of beer to rinse it down.
A faggot of sticks to burn him.
Burn him in a tub of tar. Burn him like a blazing star. Burn his body from his head. Then we'll say old Pope is dead. Hip hip hooray! Hooray!